Corn pudding, ICHIPE Nsukka. Healthy, nourishing food, giving that nourishing feeling. Glad having you back on this page. Apart from using your corn to make pap, or sometimes cooked or roasted when the corn is still fresh, the video is an educative one which will enable you to know other uses of corn, the nutritional content and health benefits. I encourage everyone to learn how to make this meal because it has the fullness of the macro food nutrients required by the individuals daily and recommended by the World Health Organization. The meal is packed with lots of nutrients, ranging from the maize, which contains carbohydrate, and the beans, representing a little portion of protein content, as well as the numerous vegetables, which are bitter leaf, pumpkin, and scent leaf. All you have to do is to sit back and ensure you watch till the end so you get the very last information in this video. Please don't forget to subscribe because subscription is totally free. Here are the ingredients we'll be using to prepare this delicacy. The ones that I did not use in the video, you can see them in the other options. If you have them, you can make use of them. Here is the corn which I will be boiling. Brown or white beans can be used, and other ingredients ranging from the bitter leaf, scent leaf, fresh pepper, pumpkin, onion, seasoning cubes, salt, upaka or oba. Some other cases you can use uda. Palm oil can also be used, and here is green beans. Green peas can also be used in place of the beans. Ensure to observe the key factors in food hygiene, which includes washing of your hands regularly before and after cooking, and even as you are preparing the meal, and as well washing of the vegetables, the utensil. Now let's start the process. Cook the maize until it softens. Transfer it into another bowl of cold water. Prior to blending or grinding. Here, I've sliced my vegetable. I'll be washing it in 2 separate bowls. Put up water in the pot of which you'll be transferring the vegetables, and you will cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Since it's bitter leaf, I know you wouldn't want it bitter. And yet, do not overcook. So, in a clean pot, pour another water where you'll be adding the beans to cook. Add the already parboiled bitter leaf. So once you pour in the beans, get ready to pour in the bitter leaf. Now it's time to grind our maize or blend it if you have a blender. Now here is the already grinded maize, where I'll be adding salt to taste and red palm oil. After that, I'll add a little water to consistency. I will mix it and pour it into a waterproof. This will help to shield its content from direct contact with water in the boiling pot. Once you're done wrapping, put it in the boiling pot and go over to the pumpkin. All you need to do is remove the seeds, rinse or wash, and then put them in the pot. But remember, you have to cook for just 5 to 7 minutes. Now time to make the sauce. Already I've washed and sliced and pounded or blended the pepper and every other ingredient I'll be using to make the sauce. All you need to do is just to follow the process, ranging from adding the red palm oil into it, a dry pot, and a very quick fry of your onion, just a little, not much, the pepper, upaka, the scent leaf, and others. You can as well add water, but not too much. Remember, we're already driving to the end of the cooking because after this process we are heading straight up into the last stage, which is the stirring of the already cooked maize and the pumpkin in the other pots. Now keep track of the consistency. The sauce shouldn't be too thick or too watery, but remember, the food needs to be very soft. That's how you will enjoy it most. So keep track of quantity of water you're going to be adding. The last stage is here. You may want to cut out some portion of the food. In order to keep it fresh, you have to cut out some portion of the food by scooping out the one you're eating right away. Mix it with the sauce and food is ready. Then the following day, do the same for the remaining portion. And if you decide to store it in the fridge, you can still preserve it there. This is nature's food and my favorite part, which is the stirring. Now, let's dive in and we stir the food. Like I made mention in my other video, that stirring helps to distribute both the ingredients that was used for the preparation of the meal. So this is the result at the end of our stirring. Yummy and eye-appealing. What else are you waiting for? Why not try out this nature's food? Very delicious, very healthy. If you want to stay healthy, these are the options you should always go for. Try out this meal, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to share this video to your family, to your friends, and stay tuned for more updates, because like they say, updates choke. As you can see here, I will be posting all of the videos one after the other to the very last. So when you stay tuned, you're gonna get updated once I post these videos. Ensure to watch them, ensure to share them, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much, and welcome back to my channel, where you get updates on some local delicacies you don't even know they exist.